Before we make our first program, let's change the background of the stage to something more inspiring. The background is called a backdrop in Scratch. To the right of the sprite list, there is a panel for the stage. At the bottom, hover over the round button to open the backdrop options. Use the magnifying glass icon to choose a backdrop from the library. You can also just click the round button to choose from the library. The other options enable you to paint a backdrop, get a surprise backdrop, or upload a picture from your computer. When the library opens, click the categories at the top to view the different backdrops available, and use the scroll bar on the right to see more designs. Select the Outdoors category, scroll to find, and then select. A sprite is an animated character or object in your program. In Scratch, sprites can move around, be active, or be objects that stay still. We will choose a sprite character that we will animate. However, it is important to realize that a sprite cannot do anything by itself. A sprite's action comes from a response to scripts inputted by the user into the scripts or program code area. These scripts are the instructions or commands that tell the sprite what to do and are written in a sequence. The user drags individual pieces of code from the blocks palette into the scripts area. These blocks then fit together like pieces of children's building bricks to create the instructions. So let us enter Scratch and program the sprite to talk and to move around the screen. Take your time and familiarize yourself with the main features of this screen, or what we will refer to as the Scratch interface. Notice that the small version of the cat is highlighted in blue, signifying that it is the active component. The sprite will tell us her name. First, go to the Blocks category section located at the left-hand side of the Scratch interface, which contains thematic folders of blocks of code such as motion, looks, sound. Go to the Events folder. Place the following block in the script area. This block is a when command. This will mean that once the green flag above the stage is clicked, the sprite will follow the commands that are placed in the script area. Go to the Looks section located in the Folders panel. Select the blocks twice that say hello for 2 seconds. Make sure the blocks click together. Now we need to get the cat moving. Go to the Motion folder. Select the Move block and change the number of steps to 50. Attach this block to the rest of the blocks in the script area. To increase movement of the sprite and to give the impression of walking, first go to the Control folder and select the Wait block. Place this block in the script area with the addition of some extra move blocks. However, we now have a problem with the sprite. As you may have noticed, if we keep using this script, the cat will keep moving until it almost disappears off the screen. So we have to put in an extra command that will bring him or her back to the center of the screen on every occasion that we use this set of instructions. The screen is divided into X, horizontal, and Y, vertical coordinates based on the center of the screen being X, 0, Y, 0, and the numbers being positive or negative depending on their positioning. This function allows the user to position different sprites at different locations. Hence, we can place a piece of code or block at the beginning of the set of commands that will instruct the cat to move back to the center of the screen every time that we select the green flag. Different methods other than a green flag can be used to start a script using the When commands in the Control folder. For instance, the spacebar are arrow keys, so replace when clicked with when space key pressed. From the Events category, in the palette, now click the spacebar on the computer keyboard to start the program. Replace when space pressed with when the sprite clicked. Then start the program by clicking on the cat. Saving the project. Go to the File folder. Select Save to your computer. Type your own name, then choose the option where you want to store it, such as desktop. To complete the Scratch learning course, subscribe to the channel and activate the bell for everyone to receive new videos. Thank you for following, and I wait for you to support the video with a like.